If you're a Samsung user eagerly awaiting the One UI 7.0 update, there's an important change you'll want to know about Edge panels will be getting a major update. But here's the twist, Samsung is removing the option to download new Edge panels from the Galaxy Store after upgrading to One UI 7.0. What does this mean for you? No more new downloads. After updating to One UI 7.0, you won't be able to download any new Edge panels from the Galaxy Store. Existing panels, if you've already downloaded Edge panels before updating, don't worry. They will still be available in the My Apps section of the Galaxy Store. However, if you uninstall them after the update, you won't be able to re-download them. New devices. For users on new devices running One UI 7.0 or later, you can still download Edge panels, but only the ones that were previously installed on your old device. Why the change? While Samsung hasn't fully explained the reason behind this change, it seems like they're simplifying the Edge panel system to streamline the user experience. It's likely to impact users who rely heavily on custom Edge panels, so you'll want to download and back up any panels you want to keep before upgrading to One UI 7.0. What can you do? Keep your Edge panels before you update to One UI 7.0. Make sure you have any Edge panels you want to keep downloaded and saved. Check Galaxy Store. After the update, if you find you need to reinstall any Edge panels, remember they'll only be available in the My Apps section if they were previously installed on your device. Stay updated. Make sure to read the official notice from Samsung and prepare for the change before updating to One UI 7.0. Are you disappointed about this change, or do you think it's a step in the right direction for One UI? Let us know your thoughts below.